day, everyone. We are the Group 1. Today, our group will show what happens when storm signal is raised.
Attention everyone! Storm signal number 3 is now up. Strong winds and heavy rains are expected. Stay at home. Keep safe everyone.
Did you check the generator outside?
Almost the wind is too strong to leave it exposed. We need it to bring it inside the garage now.
I remember when the signal for VP98 is still closed.
It can record the low speed. That's why we need to finish preparing everything
We only have 3 flashlights working.
Okay. Angelo, you and I will now people with the generator. Going out now. You need to keep the door behind me